On this one, it says that methanol can be produced through the reaction of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas in the presence of a catalyst, and it gives us the reaction. It says that if we have 84 grams of our carbon monoxide reacts to produce that 64.2 grams of our methanol, what is the percent yield of methanol? So in this reaction, since it only gave us one reactant, we can assume that this is our limiting reactant. And it says that it produced this much, that's 64.3. So that's going to be our actual yield. And so our equation is our percent yield equals our actual divided by our theoretical times 100. So in this case, our actual yield is going to be our 64.3 grams. And so all we have to do is we have to find our theoretical yield. And since it only gave us one number of a reactant, we assume that's our limiting reactant. So what we're going to do is we're going to convert from our carbon monoxide to our methanol to figure out what our theoretical yield is. So to do that, we're going to need our three conversion factors. The first one is our mole ratio, which is a 1:1. So we go ahead and write that down. 1 mole of our carbon monoxide equals 1 mole of our CH3OH. We also need the molar mass of each, so 1 mole of our carbon monoxide is going to equal 28.01 grams of carbon monoxide, and then 1 mole of our methanol CH3OH is going to equal 32.05 grams of CH3OH. Okay, those are our conversion factors that we're going to use. So we start with the number in the problem, which is 84 grams of CO, carbon monoxide. Set it up and start matching up our units. So grams of CO, there's grams of CO. Put the other half on top. Then we keep going. And we use our mole ratio now and match up our units again. Then our methanol on top. And then we keep going until we get our desired unit on top, which was our grams of our methanol, which we would get a theoretical yield of right around 96.12 grams, and that's our theoretical yield. So that number would go right here, and so we would take our 64.3 divided by 96.12, multiply it by 100, and we would get a percent yield of 66.9%.